Have you ever wondered how the entire universe began? Well, you're just in time to join me on my special space mission back in time. Come on, follow me. At the very beginning, the universe was a hot, infinitely dense point, only a few millimeters wide. All of a sudden, there was a supermassive, ultra-powerful, ginormous bang. Scientists still don't know what caused it to happen and where it came from, but they believe it lasted for a fraction of a second. This mysterious event is thought to have taken place 13.8 billion years ago, creating time, space, matter, and energy. Immediately after that, the universe began expanding at an alarming rate, from smaller than an atom to 100 billion kilometers. Scientists believe that the universe is still expanding right now, but at a much slower pace. The energy of this explosion created matter, tiny particles and antiparticles, which destroyed each other before turning back into energy. However, some of them were left over. The remaining particles created protons and neutrons, the things that produce atoms. At this stage, it was still much too hot for atoms to form. Can you believe this all happened in roughly 1 second? After at least 380,000 years, the universe cooled down. Atoms began to grow, making clouds of hydrogen and helium, allowing light to shine through. This was the end of the Dark Ages. 300 million years after the Big Bang, the first stars began to appear. They are created when clouds of gas are pulled into clumps by gravity. 700 million years later, the temperature dropped to minus 200 degrees. Galaxies had begun to form as well. They are clusters of stars held together. Astronomers reckon there are at least 100 billion of them in the entire universe. 9 billion years from the Big Bang, our solar system began to form. Astronomers all over the world are trying to find evidence to prove the Big Bang theory. They have discovered cosmic microwave background radiation, CMBR for short. It is the remains of thermal energy from the Big Bang. Redshift data shows that distant stars are moving away, which proves the universe is still expanding. Thank you for listening to my quick introduction about the Big Bang theory. Hopefully you will find this information useful in the future.